Alright, you're with your boy Mad Dog here with the Dudes Motor Vlogs, and gonna go for a little ride here. It looks kind of cloudy and rainy, but I got rained on a little bit coming out here, but I figured I'd just tough it out and still go riding. Fuck it, you know. So here we are. Like and subscribe, do comments or whatever you would like to do at the bottom there. It's a new channel, so I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Looks like that used to be like an old powerhouse or something that someone moved into or something. Oh, this is a hill here they used to climb. I guess I'll go back in here if I can find the right gear here. I used to come back in here with my dad. He had a Toyota truck, and we'd come back in here and go four-wheeling. It's kind of fun back in here. Seemed like there was some pretty good-sized hills for Michigan anyways. It looks like they're doing some logging or something, or did some logging, I mean. A little rough. People come through here with four-wheel drive sport utility vehicles and shit, and or rear-wheel drive pickup trucks, and hop the tires all the way through the fucking sand. Makes for a rough ride. Oh shit, I didn't see that one. Hopefully the camera didn't get too wet when I hit that branch. Whew, that hit me right in the face. Leaves on me and shit. Shield is all rain and fogged up. We'll try this again here. Oh, you can get air over this son of a bitch. Yeah, there's some good hills back in here. These hills don't look so big on the GoPro, I know that, but they're pretty good sized hills. You gotta watch when you come over the top of these, there's not a big washout or big hole on the other side. Oh, that's a pretty good sized sand hill. Looks like someone got stuck at the bottom there. Let's go see how bad it is before we try and climb it. What the fuck? Is that a mud flap? Oh, they must have got stuck in there and used their mud flaps. Oh, that's nice. I guess I need more speed to climb that. That wasn't enough speed. Yeah, you can see they got stuck in there. Idiots. I think I can climb it with a little bit of speed, but it's hard to get speed to go up this hill because there's trees in the way. But I think I can climb it, even with these Bald Universal tires. I would like to hit it in third, but I don't. This bike's not real powerful, so we'll try it. No, not even close. Well, I got in that sand, that took all my speed away.